If you have pets, you already know this struggle. You clean the floor in the morning, and by evening, pet hair is back like it never left. It sticks to sofas, hides in corners, clings to clothes, and somehow even ends up where your pet has never been. You love your furry friend, but the hair, not so much. What if I told you that conquering pet hair doesn't require expensive gadgets, endless vacuuming, or daily frustration? There are simple, smart hacks that make pet hair manageable, almost effortless. Stay with me, because once you learn these tricks, pet hair will finally stop controlling your home. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss smart home hacks like these. Why pet hair is so hard to control. Pet hair isn't just annoying, it's stubborn by design. Static electricity makes it cling to fabrics. Lightweight strands float into corners and under furniture, and shedding happens daily, not weekly. Most people fight pet hair the hard way: non-stop vacuuming, lint rolling, and frustration. The real solution isn't cleaning more, it's cleaning smarter and stopping hair before it spreads. The number one rule: control hair at the source. The easiest way to reduce pet hair in your home is to stop it at the source, your pet. Regular brushing removes loose hair before it lands on floors and furniture. You don't need fancy tools. Even a simple brush used a few times a week can dramatically reduce shedding indoors. Less hair on your pet means less hair everywhere else. The damp cloth trick for furniture and surfaces. One of the most effective and underrated hacks is using a slightly damp microfiber cloth. Dry cloths push pet hair around, but moisture causes hair to clump together. A quick wipe across sofas, tables, shelves, and even walls collects hair instantly. It's fast, silent, and far more effective than vacuuming for light hair buildup. Rubber gloves, the pet hair magnet. This hack feels almost magical. Put on a pair of rubber gloves, lightly dampen them, and run your hands over couches, car seats, fabric chairs, and stairs. The rubber creates friction that pulls hair off surfaces in seconds. Hair rolls up into easy-to-remove clumps. This trick went viral for a reason. It works unbelievably well. Floors stay cleaner with this simple change. Pet hair loves smooth floors because it slides easily. Instead of sweeping endlessly, use a dry microfiber mop or a rubber broom. These tools grab hair instead of pushing it around. Also, placing mats at entrances and pet sleeping areas catches hair before it spreads throughout the house. The laundry hack that stops hair from sticking. Pet hair sticking to clothes is one of the biggest frustrations. Before washing, toss clothes in the dryer for 10 minutes on air or low heat. This loosens hair, which gets trapped in the lint filter instead of embedding deeper during washing. This one step alone makes a huge difference. Skip the expensive lint rollers. You don't need to keep buying lint rollers. These DIY options are cheaper, reusable, and surprisingly effective for daily touch-ups. Vacuum smarter, not longer. If you vacuum but still see hair everywhere, the issue isn't effort, it's technique. Vacuum slowly and in multiple directions. Pet hair embeds into carpet fibers, and fast passes barely touch it. Focus on high shedding zones like under furniture, corners, and pet resting spots. Less frequent but smarter vacuuming saves time overall. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If these simple pet hair hacks helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon for more smart home solutions. Share this with fellow pet owners, because loving pets shouldn't mean fighting fur every day.